Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new Slack messages over to ClickUp as new tasks? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Slack account. After your account is connected, select the channel that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your ClickUp account. After your account is connected, select the Workspace, space, folder, and list that you want to sync to. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page where you can manage your bot as well as configure your bot settings. You can disable and re-enable your bot using this toggle button. This pre-built bot consists of 2 steps. The first step will trigger when there is a new message in the chosen Slack channel. The next step will automatically sync the new message to ClickUp as a new task. I will demonstrate how this sync works by posting 3 new messages to the specified channel in Slack. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully syncs new messages from Slack to ClickUp. As you can see here, the new messages successfully synced over to ClickUp as new tasks. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzBots.com or join our community at zzBots.com/community.